Good morning. I'm having bon juice and had a chocolate croissant this morning, and it's technically lunchtime to be honest, but I am gonna go down to the pool again. The ocean is pretty rough today. Cheers. Or whatever the fuck they say here. Oh, the taste is amazing. I got bored. I don't know how you can get bored sunbaking, but I got bored and I didn't swim. Go find Dad. Dad's going to be asleep, as he always is. I get to play this really fun game in my bed. When the doors open and the windows open, the curtains start doing these weird things. Is that bored I am? I'm lying in bed watching the curtains. And you may close now. I said close. Close. Yeah, I got like magic powers and stuff. So pretty sunset. I'm in my uncle's barber shop and my dad's getting me Subway, right? Now he said he was gonna get me Subway. That's Subway over there. Tico Subway. Yeah, so I'm gonna have Subway. I like this sound. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Didn't die today. All good. We're good. I like this noise of the water coming down. It reminds me of being young. With my childhood. Alright. Is this the Subway? Better packaging. Better packaging than Subway.